now ready for the beach party with Tronsmart. In the box we do have a QR code. Pause the video if you want to read it. Scan it. Impressive rich audio. Vibrant light show. IPX7 waterproof. 20 hours of playtime. Stereo speakers. Customized equalizer in the app. Available for the iPhone and for the Android. Ta-da! And there it is. And it is heavy. Look at the RGB action. Wow. It has ports at the back. USB Type-C, A, AUX, TF card, and reset. Very nice. Door to prevent water and dust. RGB. Those speakers, ooh, tight. Of course, has a rubber feet, so it won't slide. We do have buttons, power, Bluetooth, SP, well, an indicator, minus, play and pause, and plus. And a very nice handle. Nice. Of course, you can put like this. Why not? Horizontal or vertical. Crash test. First from the human height. It looks okay. Then a little bit higher. Yeah, a little bit dirty, but that's okay. Maybe a bit higher. Oh, shit. Higher. Oh, shit. Then structure integrity is awesome. Just a little bit of dirt here and there, but other than that, it is great. Super bass. So what did we learn? And we learned that it's bassy, extremely powerful, and resistance, water and dust, and also shockproof. So there you go, a real beach speaker. See you next video. Bye.